All right, today we're going to talk about O Come Little Children, the fifth piece in the Suzuki volume, fifth piece. All right, and the thing about this piece, it starts up bow, and then we also have the consecutive up bows. Then a repeat. Okay, we always take a repeat in this piece, but there's a problem with this piece. The consecutive ups. This is what almost always happens. You go like this, and then there's a down bow here instead of an up. The reason for that is because there's a string crossing. So when you have a string crossing, the elbow goes down. So with young students, if the elbow goes down, the hand wants to come down also. What you have to do is this. Elbow comes down, hand goes up. They're not used to that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to work on the bowing without the string crossings. And we're going to do that by starting, not at the beginning, but we're going to start in the middle of the piece. So here we have, when we have our tablature music here, all right? And what I've done with the tablature music is I just started each new line with the up bow, even though they don't really belong in the same measure. But it's just easier for kids to find that out. So we're going to start here, this part. And there's what we're going to do first. The A string part that goes like this. Then the E string part. Okay, so let's start out on the A string, like we did with Go Town Roadie, on the second finger on the A. And we're going to do this. We're going to start up bow. 1, 3, 2, 1. Now don't take much bow on this up. On this 1, when you go to the E string, just take a little bit of bow. Okay? Gonna go like this. Again, start from here, 2 on the A. And 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, little bow. Okay? Alright, again. Ready? I'm starting 2 on the A. 2, 1, 1, 1 again. 3, 2, little 1. Okay? Alright, you'll see why we do that in a minute. One more time. Here we go. 2 on the A. Ready, go up. And 1, 1 again. 3, 3, 3, 2, little. Okay? Again. Ready, and 2. Okay? One more time. Ready, and 3, 2, 1. Okay? Alright, now leave your bow. Leave there. When you stop on that 1, just leave it there. Okay? You don't have to pick it up. I'm just doing that because we're doing so many in a row. But you're going to leave your bow there when you did that first finger. Okay? And that's the only note on the E string in this little part. Everything else is on the A. Here we go. 2 again. Ready, 2. And 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Alright? Again. Ready, and 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Alright. We're going to do 2 more. Here we go. Ready, up. 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay? Last one. Here we go. Ready? Get your hands set. Alright, 2, and up. 1, 3, 2. Okay, now you can pause this do some more, or you can turn this off and do some more, and then we'll do the next half, which is actually the end of the piece. The end of it will go like this, okay? Okay, so after you've done some more repetitions of what we did, we'll start with that part, okay? So here we go. You've already done your pause, and here we go. We're going to do the next part, which starts on the E string. It's going to go up bow also, like this. Open E, 3 on the E. Open E, 2 on the A, 3, 1, 1, open. One more time. 1, up bow, and 1, E, 3 on the E, open E, 2 on A, 3, 1, 1, open. Again, 1 on the E, ready, good position, ready, up, open, 3, 3, okay, again, here we go, same thing, 1 on the E, open, 3 on the E, open E, 2 on the A, 3, 1, 1. Try it yourself. Ready? 1, E, E, A, 3 on E, open E, 2 on A, 3, 1, 1, A. All right. Now, we're going to put these two pieces together. And here's why at the beginning. Little bow. And this next part is up again. That's why we use a little bow, because if you use too much bow, now I can't go up because I don't have any more bow. So use a little bit of bow in that last note. Little, next part, up. So do this E string part by itself a few more times. This part that goes 1, 1, open E, 3 on E, 2 on A, 3, 1, 1. Okay, do that about 5 more times. And then I want you to try putting the two parts together. All right? Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do a couple of those with you now. Pretend you've already done your extra 5 times, or 10 times, or 15. All right? Here we go. So we're going to start, we're going to put the two parts together. So we're starting on the A, 2, and 1, 3, 2. Here's the little 1. Next part. And then we repeat this. All right, so just work on this part first, and then we'll do the beginning, because we'll talk about the string crossings. Now that once you learn this pattern of the bowing, then it'll be easier to talk about the string crossings in the beginning. Okay? All right, let's do a Suzuki bar. Here we go. And all right.